tongue-tied. Tongue-tied today. I'd like to give context for these videos. As I'm making them, I don't actually know whether I'm going to succeed at the next step or not. And that is a lot about what hardware hacking, software hacking, hacking in general is about. That's what hacking in general is about, is the excitement, the exhilaration that you get by making a guess, trying the attempt. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. A lot of times it doesn't. The more practice that you have, the more success that you gain because you make better guesses. I don't know how many more parts we're going to have in this series, but there's at least 2 or 3 more that I can foresee. Thank you so much for coming along with me in the adventure, and especially to those who've left comments, both suggestions, questions, and general support for this project and its continuation. I really appreciate the encouragement and couldn't do it without you.